And with number 3, we've got $6,000 being invested for X years at 10.5% compounded continuously. Future value of that investment is given by that equation. We're asked to graph that function in GeoGebra, analyze the growth from 0 to 15 years, and then from 15 to 30 years. And then in the growth, is the growth for each time period fairly similar or different? Why is this happening? And what can we use? How can we use this information to help build wealth for ourselves and for future generations? So I do need a new GeoGebra screen here. And I've got my equation all set up there, again holding the shift button to pull this down until I get a graph I can see. Very good. So we are asked to look at the first 15 years here and compare it to the next 15 years. So we'll be looking at 0 to 15 and then from 15 to 30. Holy moly. Okay. So we can see, everyone, that we begin here with, what was the amount? $6,000. And in 15 years, we have about $30,000. So from 0 to 15, we gained about $24,000 or so. I'm going to write that down on my iPad real quick just so I have that recorded. So from 0 to 15 years, the value gets up to about just under 30,000. So it increases by about 24,000. And again, the reason that I can say that is because we started with 6, and if we get up to 30, the difference is 24 or so. And so then that second period there, everyone, from that was part A. So for part B, we've got the time period 15 to 30 years. And so we're looking here over to here. And so at the 15-year mark, we've got right about $30,000 in the account. And from 15 to 30 years, that 30,000 grows to 140,000. So we gain about $110,000 in the second 15 years. So from 15 to 30 years, the value increases by about $110,000. This is a surprised face right here. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. So we have a gigantic increase over that 15-year time period of $110,000. That is pretty awesome. And for part C, we can say that obviously those the growth that happens during each set of 15 years is very different. And the reason why is because time causes money to grow faster. And so again, the more time we give it, the faster the money will grow. And how can we use this information to build wealth for ourselves and our generations? Invest some money. And go away for a long time. The money will grow faster the longer it is invested. So that's going to be it for number 3.